All the machines working in the harvest. Bye!
Mighty machines, big and mighty machines, working for you, doing mighty things there. Mighty machines, lifting and pulling and flying so high, building a building up to the sky. You can watch them all day and never know why they're mighty machines. Hear them roar, watch them soar, sit right down and see. There are stories to enjoy for every girl and boy. Mighty machines, big and mighty machines, working for you, doing mighty things there. Mighty machines, working for you, doing mighty things there. Mighty machines.
Your mark. Get set. Let's go. It's time to explore exciting places in the all-new Let's Go with Barney series.
Let's hit the beach.
For a dynamite adventure with your first best friend. Let's go to the beach on DVD and VHS.
You can share our day of fun in the sun.
The sun, Mr. Golden Sun, please shine down on me.
Dive deep under the sea.
I wish we could see under the water.
Create a castle fit for a king.
Now that's a sandcastle.
And let your imagination soar. In the direct-to-video special, Barney Let's Go to the Beach, now on DVD and VHS. And go and grow with these adventures filmed on location. Barney Let's Go to the Farm.
Let's go see some more animals.
And Barney Let's Go to the Zoo.
Now I can take pictures of all the animals.
Oh, good idea.
Bring home Barney's Let's Go to the Beach and the rest of the Let's Go with Barney series. Barney, a helping hand for growing children.
Only from entertainment.
It's time for a musical adventure at Barney's Fantasy Fair. Use your imagination for Visit a Fair. Barney's Let's Make Music on DVD and VHS. Lots of foods, animals, games, Ferris wheel, and lots of more. After that, time for dance and singing songs. Barney's Let's Make Music, now on DVD and video. Barney, a helping hand for growing children.
Only from
Entertainment.
Oops.
Watch out now!
Come on, let's go.
More fun for everyone.
Oh, yeah.
Build a friendship.
With scenes from Little Robots.
Hooray!
Bug Rangers.
I can't see. You don't want to.
Strawberry Shortcake.
Don't you want to join us? We're practicing for the strawberry games. This is fun.
Love your pets.
With scenes from Garfield and Friends. Garfield the movie.
Thank you very much, ladies and gentlemen.
You can't touch this. Come on.
And Pet Alien.
What are you, from another planet or something?
Step it up a little bit.
Excellent.
Now available on home video. Only from 20th Century Fox.
And that's a sign that the tank is full.
20th Century Fox Home Entertainment. Hit Entertainment.